Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for coffee cake. It's so delicious, it's quick and easy, so let's get started. So the ingredients you'll need to make the coffee cake is 2 cups of Bisquick baking mix, 2/3 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And this is what the Bisquick looks like. So you'll need to preheat your oven to 375, and you also need a 9-inch baking pan that's sprayed with cooking spray. In a bowl I have my Bisquick mix. I'm going to add the milk, the vanilla, the sugar, and the egg. And you're just going to mix it until it's all combined. So once you have it combined, you're just going to be putting it into your 9-inch pan. And just spread it out. And once you've done that, you just set it off to the side. The topping, you'll need 2/3 cup of the Bisquick mix. You'll need 2/3 cup of brown sugar. You'll need 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 4 tablespoons of butter cut into pieces. Now you're going to be putting everything into a bowl. And just mix it. It should have lumps. Okay? You take your 9-inch pan and you're just going to sprinkle the mixture on top of the batter. So once you put the streusel on top, it's ready to be baked. So it's going into a 375-degree oven, and it's going to bake between 18 and 25 minutes or until it's golden brown. I'll show you what it looks like when I take it out. And this is what the inside looks like. So here is my coffee cake with powdered sugar on top. It did cook about 22 minutes. It's so delicious and so quick and easy. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.